Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are back with a quick frequently asked questions video, and today I want to discuss with you, does my switch need to support all required features standards for HCI if I only want to do certain scenarios? For that, luckily our friends from the product group updated the documentation, so we can now start to discuss. Why was this documentation update so important for all of us? So when you take a look on the requirements of 21H2 for network and the IEEE standards which were required, there were only a few most switches were supporting, especially when it comes to storage and other scenarios. But when we're now moving to 22H2, the list of requirements drastically changed. So a lot of things were added, and in the before we had the better clearance from the product group, it was hard for our support and also for customers to understand, is the scenario we have supported or not, especially when it comes to the switches. And it's also hard in that scenario, you don't want to invest into an enterprise switch like we have here on the recommendation list. So you may want to have a cheaper switch like a Ubiquiti or something else, which is not supporting all standards. So that's why product group added this page to give customers and also Microsoft support and all others, including the partners, better clearance on what you require, what you need. So if we're looking through that, here you have the management interface. Management requires only VLAN, port VLAN ID, link aggregation, LADP, and DHCP. Most of the important requirements are for storage. If you're using a switchless configuration, so not cabling your storage directly, like shown here in the picture, so you have your SMB interfaces directly wired in a daisy chain without any top of the rack switches included, you do not require those on your switches. If you're doing a switch configuration, you require those features. Otherwise, it's not supported, or you could end up in issues or unexpected behavior. Another very important point is SDN. Most customers do not use software-defined networking in Azure Stack HCI. It sometimes overcomplicates things, especially when you're going for a virtualized or pure virtualization, not with any tenant segregation or something like that. So that's why often customers do not use SDN, which is totally fine. And with not using SDN, you see maximum transfer units and border gateway protocol, short BGP, will no longer apply. So your switch does not need to support BGP. Yep, I will link you the page to the section below. Go through it. Check your switches, check your scenarios. If you have any further questions, leave me the comments. Have a great day, and see you on the next FAQ video. Bye!